In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Epic Games Fall Guys missing files. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to go open up your Epic Games launcher. Now, just click on your library and find your Fall Guys game. So as you can see right here, just click on the three dots icon, select Manage, and you should see an option here to verify your Fall Guys files. So unfortunately, you can't see mine because mine is not updated. So if yours is not updated, simply update your game first, and you should see the Verify Files option right here. Now, the next method you can do is simply hit Windows plus R on your keyboard, and from here, just type in msconfig. Hit Enter, and now click on Services. Now scroll down until you find this EC anti-cheat. So if this is unchecked, just check it. Also scroll down and find Epic Games. So right here, Epic Online Services. So again, if this is not checked, check it, click Apply and OK. Now you want to restart your computer. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.